In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Supabase account. Whether you're ready to explore the offerings of Supabase or simply curious about diving into a new platform, this straightforward guide will walk you through the entire process effortlessly. To kick things off, the first step is to visit the Supabase website. You'll want to navigate over to the Supabase sign-up page, which is your gateway to unlocking all the features and functionalities Supabase has to offer. Once you're there, the sign-up process is seamless and easy. Upon reaching the sign-up page, you'll be presented with multiple options for creating your account. This flexibility means you can choose a sign-up method that best suits your needs. Typically, you have the choice between using GitHub, Google, or a traditional email and password combination. Each method has its own advantages, such as convenience and speed, particularly if you're already logged into these accounts on your device. If you decide to register using an email address, there's a simple yet crucial additional step you'll need to complete. After entering your email and choosing a strong, secure password, you'll want to check your email inbox. Supabase will send a verification email to ensure that it's really you trying to set up the account. Once you find the email from Supabase, open it and click on the verification link. This link will confirm your email address and is your ticket to proceeding with the account setup. Having successfully verified your email, or if you opted in through GitHub or Google, you're now ready to sign in to the Supabase dashboard. The dashboard is the heart of your Supabase experience, where you can build, manage, and explore your projects. Log in with your newly registered credentials and you'll find yourself on the dashboard homepage, and there you have it. That's all you need to get your Supabase account up and running. Remember, whether you're an experienced developer or a newbie exploring new technologies, Supabase offers a rich environment for expanding your projects with ease. As you get started, take some time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. Doing so will set the foundation for making the most out of what Supabase has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide served you well as your first step into the Supabase world. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into using